One accident, one hit and run, or one insurance dispute can cost thousands unless your dash cam captures everything clearly. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best dash cams, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. I'll cover video quality, smart features, parking mode, connectivity, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. KAWA D7 4K Dash Cam. Starting off at number 5 is the KAWA D7 4K front and rear dash cam. This compact dash cam features 4K front recording, a rear camera, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, app and voice controls, and a slim rear camera designed for cleaner installation. Review highlights. The KAWA D7 delivers strong value for drivers looking for modern features at a competitive price. The 4K front camera captures detailed footage during the day, while the rear camera adds extra protection for parking incidents and rear-end collisions. Wi-Fi 6 support also helps improve video transfer speeds through the mobile app. Pros: sharp 4K front recording, front and rear camera setup, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, app and voice control support, compact rear camera design, a feature-packed budget-friendly dash cam. Number 4. AZDOME M300s. At number 4 is the AZDOME M300's 4K dash cam front and rear. This model includes built-in GPS, 5.8G Wi-Fi, WDR night vision, voice control, and comes with a free 64GB South Dakota card included in the package. Review highlights. The M300's is a well-balanced dash cam for everyday driving. Its wide dynamic range night vision helps improve recording clarity in darker conditions, while the GPS system tracks driving routes and speed information. The voice control feature also makes operation safer and more convenient while driving. Pros: 4K front and rear recording, built-in GPS tracking, good night vision performance, voice control functionality, free 64GB South Dakota card included, a dependable all-around dash cam setup. Number 3. Vantrue E1 Pro 4K. Coming in at number 3 is the Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dash Cam. This compact premium dash cam features Starvis 2 HDR night vision, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS support, and support for storage up to 1 TB. Review highlights. What makes the E1 Pro stand out is image quality. The Starvis 2 sensor performs extremely well during nighttime driving, helping capture license plates and road details more clearly in difficult lighting conditions. Its compact design also keeps the windshield cleaner and less distracting compared to larger dash cams. Pros: excellent Starvis 2 night vision, sharp 4K video recording, compact and discreet design, fast 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, large storage support up to 1 TB, a premium mini dash cam with impressive image quality. Number 2. UHD 4K Dual Lens. At number 2 we have the UHD 4K Wi-Fi Dual Lens Driving Recorder Dash Cam. This model offers dual lens recording, optional rear camera support, GPS functionality, 24-hour parking monitoring, and high-resolution 4K recording. Review highlights. This dash cam is a strong option for drivers wanting broad coverage and reliable recording features. The dual lens setup helps monitor both the road and surrounding activity, while parking monitoring adds extra protection when the vehicle is unattended. The Wi-Fi connectivity also makes reviewing and downloading footage much easier. Pros: high-resolution 4K recording, dual-lens monitoring system, GPS support included, 24-hour parking protection, convenient Wi-Fi connectivity, a versatile dash cam for everyday protection. Number 1. AZDOME M550 Pro. Taking the number 1 spot is the AZDOME M550 Pro Dash Cam. This advanced dash cam supports 2-channel or 3-channel recording, combines 4K and 2.5K video capture, and includes built-in GPS, infrared night vision, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and 24-hour parking mode. Review highlights. What makes the M550 Pro stand out is overall coverage and feature balance. The optional 3-channel setup provides front, rear, and interior recording, making it especially useful for rideshare drivers and users wanting maximum protection. Infrared night vision improves cabin recording in low light conditions, while the high-resolution front camera captures detailed footage during both day and night driving. The feature set feels premium without becoming overly complicated. Pros: 2-channel or 3-channel recording support. Sharp 4K plus 2.5K video quality. Infrared interior night vision. Built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi. Reliable 24-hour parking mode. Excellent all-around protection. This is one of the most complete dashcam systems available. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing video quality, night vision, smart features, parking protection, and overall usability, the AZDOME M550 Pro dashcam is the best overall dashcam on this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.